Yo, what is up, boys? Today is Moto Vlog Day, and if you saw by the title and thumbnail of this video, you already know what bike we're on. Today is the very first moto vlog on the e-bike. So I'm gonna give you some stats so we can remember what we're riding, okay? So we're starting with 97.6 miles and 100% battery. I've been riding it for a second. I just had to get away from my house to like kind of start this adventure. So our plans for today is, I still haven't like fully like range tested this thing, okay? But I've kind of played around with it and I kind of know the limits, but it should be able to get me to downtown Golden, way over there, and back to my house with a decent amount of battery, and probably still a little bit amount of battery to have fun with. So boys, I wish you could see my face because I have not stopped smiling since I've been on this thing, and I am very excited to take it around on paths, bike trails. We're just gonna go have fun with it, okay? Now I'm gonna be a respectful boy, and if I see people, you know, I'm gonna not go past like 10 miles an hour, and nobody has said anything to me yet, but with my full motorcycle race helmet camera setup, it might draw just a little bit more attention. Without further ado, let's quit fucking yapping and let's go to downtown Golden on the e-bike. Now for most of the ride, it is downhill, which is sick, right? I'm gonna be in mode 3. I'll tell you when I switch mode ups, but for going on paths and stuff, mode 3 is plenty. Mode 3 is probably even overkill for the paths that I'm gonna be riding. Did somebody just hit a hole in one? I heard "let's go" super loud over there on that golf course. Maybe somebody just hit a hole in one. Now it should get me to downtown Golden, okay? It should, hopefully. She smiled at me. Now, the thing is, here's the skate park hill. Now, I know the amount of glass bottles that gets broken and shit right over here in this parking lot because it's a skate park. So I gotta keep an eye out for my tires. Now, if you're wondering why I'm in percentage and not voltage mode, is because I don't know how to read voltage mode. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how to read it. I didn't graduate Harvard with an engineering degree. I have no idea how to read the electrical voltage, but you bet your ass I can read 100%, boys. It's just so crazy how much exploring electric bikes like literally open up, because a bike this small looks like a bicycle, and they're not really looking for the pedals. I don't think. I think they're just like, well, that puny thing can't go very fast. Little do they know it can go 50 miles an hour, right? So that's what I think I love about this bike the most. And I'm gonna do like an official like 100-mile review and shit, because actually on this trip we will hit 100 miles, which is super sick. I didn't even plan it out that way. I was just kind of like waited for the next nice day. 70 freaking degrees out here. Well, it's not 70 yet. It will be 70. It's early in the morning. I tried to get out early in the morning to, you know, not bother too many people. What the fuck is that? Not bother too many people, you know. Now, one thing I'm gonna be honest that will probably be added to this thing is mirrors, because it is kind of hard to not like have to constantly be looking over my shoulder, because having no mirrors is quite challenging. I'm not gonna lie. Just like talking about it, I cannot believe how quiet and stable this bike is. Like, we are going 17 miles an hour right now, and the speedos are pretty accurate. Like, they're almost spot on. But like, look, I mean, I've been going no hands this whole time, and the bars have not shaked once. Now I'm gonna have to grab right there. The only thing that I found out that is kind of lacking on this bike is the suspension. I'm like 150 pounds, and if I try super hard, I can bottom out the suspension. My brother, who's a little bit bigger, my friend who's a little bit bigger, and my brother who's a little bit bigger, they do bottom out the suspension like bad. So the suspension upgrade will be coming. Now here is interesting. Here comes a cyclist. Now cyclists are not known for being the nicest people on planet Earth. Well, he gave me a smile and a nod, so maybe he approves. But cyclists, if you're cyclists, I'm sorry, but cyclists are fucking toxic, and there is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. We're at 99 miles exactly. Oh shit, boys. We could actually probably cruise in mode 2 for the rest of this, because it's literally all downhill. Like, I'm not even touching the bars. I ain't doing nothing. Now, one thing that also is kind of off-putting, that throws me off a little bit, is I'm so used to a foot brake on a motorcycle that like when I'm coming to stop signs like this, there's no like engine braking, so we're just gonna keep rolling, and I'm used to like hitting a foot brake down here, so it's a little bit weird to have to like take my attention to actually stopping myself with no engine brake and foot brake. Yeah, mode 2 though, when you're trying to like accelerate, it takes a while. Sometimes I have to like completely let off and go back on, and I'll get a little bit more speed that way. Ooh, see, like right there, I went to the stop sign, I went to go hit a foot brake. Stand up. Ooh. Now, here's my thing. If you're gonna buy this, I wouldn't stand on these pegs. They will probably bend, okay? I'm not that heavy a guy and they feel like they would bend. So what I do is I get as close as I can to the frame and I'll stand up that way. Like if you can see, I'm like really close to the frame standing up, and then it's actually pretty fun to stand up on it. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, there's construction guys in the middle of this road. Can I not go this way? I'll sneak past them like in Hitman. You know, I can be, look, they don't even notice me. Look, that's how quiet I am. I'm a sneaky little shit. Oh gosh. So if you know Golden at all, we've basically made it. I took the back way to Coors. So here is Coors. Now, I'm not gonna mob around Coors just yet. I kind of want to go mob around the parks and stuff. I'll use a blinker just to be a good boy. Oh, it's green light. Oh, hello, there's the park rangers. It's coming through. We'll just go the opposite way of the park rangers. We'll just take a little detour. See, now I see bicycles on here. So, listen, oh God, that's loud. I think we can blend in, boys. Oh God, this looks like a bunch of shit that'll kill me. Oh, the road's fucking closed. Perfect, love that. We'll just flip a bitch right here then. Didn't know the road was closed. So there we got the green light. And this GMC is flying, we better go. Go. Whew. See, if we were in the rocket mode, we'd be chilling. But I don't want to waste battery because I want to make sure I can get my ass home. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look, bicycle detour. Hey, that's me. Look at these nice creek views. Oh my gosh. This is just making me excited about like taking this bike somewhere like this summer, somewhere I visit, and just mobbing it around town. The way that it just blends in seamlessly with everybody. Look at these waterfalls. Is there anybody behind me? No. We're gonna stop. Look how pretty this is. I mean, it doesn't get much better than this, boys. Like, look. You got the e-bike in the little waterfalls. You think there's any crawdads in there? I wonder. Oh God, wait, 8 feet. There's no way that's 8 feet high. Dude, I'm basically 3'2", and I feel like I could hit my head on that if I jumped high enough. 8 feet? No. Restricted area. What does that mean? That's a restricted area. Church ditch. Why does a church have a ditch? I don't know. What does this sign say? Dude, these brakes are the best brakes I've ever felt in my life. Peaks to Plains Trail. Oh, okay, cool. Is that train moving? He honked like he was gonna move. I want to watch him move. See, like, I gotta be careful going over here because I know like where I'm at, but like I don't know where the fuck I'm at. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're just on some random ass bike path next to the highway. Actually, if you're familiar with the area, Dusk Till Dawn is like up there. Wait, this is like a sick path, yo. Like with the mesa and Coors in the background. Hold on, I'm gonna take a stop and take a look at that. I mean, come on, boys. Does it get any better than that? Dude, this thing is so much fun. I'm having so much fun. I hope you guys are like enjoying like me getting used to e-bikes and getting used to like everything, because it's like I'm so used to I'm so motorcycle mentality. If you're new to the channel and you came here because of the e-bike, I have a motorcycle background. I come from motorcycles. I've got a 2023 Honda Grom. I've got a 1998 Honda VTR 1000 that will be coming back soon. Oh, we're gonna be coming. Uh-oh. So I'm used to motorcycles. So this whole like little e-bike, I know this is considered a scooter, but it's just easier to say e-bike, because it's like if somebody asks what it is and you're like, oh, it's a scooter, and they look and they're gonna be like, well, obviously it's not a scooter, but it's like it is, but it isn't, right? You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I just say e-bike, okay? And I think right here we're gonna turn around because we are way outside of Golden now, kinda, and it's gonna start smelling like shit soon, because over there is the water treatment plant, and I really don't feel like inhaling shit. Let's go back into the city and enjoy the city a little bit. And I didn't even realize I missed it on the way back. I think we hit it coming here. Fuck! We hit 101 miles. We missed the 100-mile milestone. Fuck! So the first 100 miles have been completed, boys. We have done 100 miles on this beast, bro. Oh my god. I'm so sad I missed it, but it is what it is. We hit it in this video. We hit 100 miles and we're at 99% battery. This fluctuates a lot though. I think that's why people look at voltage, because if I just sit here long enough, yeah, there it goes. It goes back to 100. So when I hit the throttle, it'll go to 99. So I don't really know what the percentage is. I'll learn to use the voltage eventually. All right, boys. So we are actually going to have to put it in the rocket mode here for a minute, because we have to go with traffic. I went the wrong way and a bunch of runners just went that way. So I'm not gonna bother him. So we're just gonna shoot in rocket mode and shoot straight up this hill to the detour right here. Since, I mean, we can go traffic speeds. I mean, look, this is a huge hill and we are gaining speed. Like, that is crazy. See, now we can go back into eco mode here. The fast mode is fun and shit, but unless I'm like showing friends or like trying to be like a degenerate, eco mode is hella fun. See, like right now, no mirrors is I don't know if somebody's on my ass. I don't know what's back. Like, I don't like that very much. Oh God, missed the pothole. Yeah, so we are back in the city. As you can see, there's the police station and the fire station with all the big ass fire trucks. God, I love oh my God, I almost died right there. Did y'all see that? I forgot the torque. When I hit a bump, it's gonna like jerk me. But I would like to cut across this field. I'm not gonna lie. And we are going to. Hopefully there's no nails from construction right here. Now I wonder if you'll be able to hear how loud this bike is. Oh, is this grass wet? No, it's not too wet, which is good. We're gonna spit out over here. Oh, that was a little wet spot. Because I don't know how like waterproof this shit is, these the motors and shit. So it's like I kind of got to be careful with that, you know what I mean? Should we go up towards the School of Mines? I think that's what we're gonna do, boys, because I've never really explored the School of Mines. I was never good enough to be a college student, let's be real. We'll hop off a curb and I'll tell you if I bottom out the suspension. You ready? Here we go. Oh, I didn't, but it was not a soft landing, okay? Oh shit, wasn't paying attention. Almost died. I was itching my head. Oh, what's up here? Harold and Patricia Correll Athletic Center. Oh, mind if I check it out? Oh my God, there's a path right there. We'll take a quick break up here, see what's up. So there was a path over there that I want to take. Colorado School of Mines Athletic Fields. Oh, sick. Oh, there's somebody right there. I'm just gonna pretend I'm stretching to not make it awkward. No bikes, skateboards, or motorized vehicles. We'll just pretend that we didn't see that, and we're just gonna we're gonna go for it. See? It doesn't say no bikes, motorized vehicles for this right here. I don't see a sign that says it. Do you? I don't. So we're gonna send it, boys. What is this? Stop number 8, Geology Trail, Arapahoe Formation. Where? Okay, no parking. Oh, it says no entry, but we're gonna enter it anyway. Yeah, I don't know where we are, boys. I know we're in the School of Mines, but fuck, if you told me where in the School of Mines, I literally could not fucking tell you. I have no idea. There is more brain power in one of these buildings than I could comprehend in my entire life. That guy's my neighbor. What's my neighbor doing up here? Look at that shot of the mesa. Oh my God, that is crazy. My head itches, I'm not gonna lie to you, boys. Oh gosh, please. Oh shit, oh gosh. I know I'm talking a lot and bitching a lot, but like I said in the beginning, I'm just trying to still get used to it, get used to my mileage. Like right now, we're at 104 miles and I'm at 97%. So I'm still trying to, you know, figure everything out. And this is basically that. It's kind of like popping its moto vlogging cherry, I think, if you will. Oh my God, I could totally ride in the back of that dude's truck. I'm not gonna. The intrusive thoughts didn't win that time, but they were there. The intrusive thoughts were there, and I want you to recognize that the thoughts were there. One of these next videos, I'm gonna have to set up my new helmet too, because this old helmet is getting old. It's literally getting what I just said. It's old. It's time to. Whoa, that's a cool bar. Too bad I don't drink. This parking garage has got a pretty sick view, so we're definitely gonna hop up here. Actually, the thumbnail of the last video was taken up here. Now, last time I came up here, there was like a fucking couple making out in their Subaru Legacy up here when I came up here because they didn't hear me coming, and it was kind of awkward. I'm kind of hoping that shit doesn't happen again. Oh my God, there is a Subaru up here. It's a Crosstrek though. They were hiding in this corner where I took the thumbnail. Anybody? Perfect. Yeah, this is where I took the thumbnail for the last video. Was right here, boys. There was the thumbnail spot, boys. Dude, this is so sick. So far, if you're wondering if like you should pull the trigger, I am not joking when I say this. 1 million% yes. Like, I almost hit that. I literally have a motorcycle that can do like 180 miles an hour. And I have more fun on this thing than I do with that. Another parking garage. Why not? Let's check it out. Oh, God. That is the demise of all cars right there. Oh, God. I'm not a hater, and I'm not really a negative guy sometimes, but who the fuck buys a Kia Soul? There's a lady in this car staring at me thinking I'm an idiot right now. Like, oh God, now I'm dizzy as fuck. I gotta quit saying like. I'm so dizzy. Whoa. I just like how you can do all this shit so stealthy, but it does make me be on more high alert, as if I wasn't on high alert enough on motorcycles. Now they can't hear you. So it's like, if they almost hit you, it's like you can't really blame them. On a motorcycle, it's like, okay, dude, what the fuck, dude, you know? But on these, it's like, they can't hear you. So it's like, you know, it is what it is. Bro, it is a beautiful day to be out on the e-bike right now. Oh, you guys want to go see a little Easter egg? Check this shit out. Let me hop off this curb first. See, I didn't bottom out the suspension there. Ooh, damn it, a big ass semi. I am a pipsqueak to this fool. Okay, check this shit out, boys. Right here, if you're on TikTok, maybe you'll know. But right over here, like right in this area, I guess I could pull right up front. This is where somebody, one of those drones and homeless people thing, put a drone on Daniel Larson. So if you know who Daniel Larson is and you've ever seen his drone video, that was literally filmed right here. I have never seen Daniel Larson. I think I've seen him one time. But if you've ever seen his infamous drone video, this is the Burger King it was filmed at. But yeah, that's the famous Burger King that Daniel Larson got caught at. Well, now since we're kind of heading back towards the house, I'll probably start bumping it up into its like rocket modes. We're going to go into dual motor mode 4 and ride with traffic. We'll do like a little bit of a oh, my blinker was on that whole fucking time. Gosh darn it. We'll do like kind of a ride with traffic type of test. We'll only ride with traffic for a little while just because I don't have mirrors, and I should probably close my visor. Hopefully it wasn't too windy. I don't have mirrors, and it's like, you know, I look kind of goofy out here. So I'm holding steady throttle, 30 miles an hour, 72%. When we hop up here, I'm probably gonna hop back on the sidewalks just because. Now let's see, what's the speed? Now we're in rocket mode 4, and we're doing basically the speed limit. We're not even in the full juice beans mode. 36, 37, like it could easily keep up with traffic like this. And I mean, look, we're sustaining like 40 miles an hour with ease. Like this isn't even full throttle. Like it's not full throttle and it's not mode 5. That, for the size of this, that is crazy to me. Like that is actually crazy. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop on the sidewalk here because I would like to save some battery. But like, I mean, you just saw how like decently far we went. Like, and we'll let it settle here for a second, but it's looking like 83%. My GoPro battery is at 17%. So we are gonna hop off the sidewalk so I can get home without this dying. And look, there ain't nobody. Here we go, ready? 4 miles an hour, go. Full throttle. 23, 25, 26, and we're going uphill. 33, 34, 35, like, dude, what do you even need speed mode 5 for? Like, Jesus, dude. This is keeping up with traffic, and all I gotta do, no engine braking, so I just lay off, and we'll just coast. Why have I not got into electric vehicles sooner? Yeah, up this hill is literally where we started the video. So let's see, we'll go to the exact same spot, see how many miles we did, see how many percentage we did. I would keep riding and make it longer, but my GoPro's out of battery, and I literally didn't bring any more GoPro batteries. So it's like, this is at least outlasting the GoPro batteries. Right here, boys. So we finished with 107.8 miles. You guys know what we started with. I don't. I'll put it right here, what we started with. And we are at 80% battery, and that might fluctuate the longer I sit here. Yep, see, 81. So the longer I sit here and just chill, it'll go up. But I hope you guys enjoyed the first shakedown test. So obviously it can go, we were literally clear way over there. I mean, we were seeing that mesa and everything way out there, so it can do good on battery. And we made it back with 80%, and actually we were in mode 5 most of the time. I didn't even keep it in mode 3 because my brain, I'm dumb, and I kept forgetting to switch it. So I hope you guys are excited for more videos to come on this, because I promise they are coming. We have so many bikes to play with. My blinker is on. That's embarrassing. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here and get home. I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, if you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. Let me know if you're excited to see more e-bike videos, and I will see you in the next one. Later.